Hello guys! Kumusta kayo mga ka-technique? Here I am again and can't wait to show you this new menu. Ito ay ang fried basque wings. O diba? Sounds so yummy already! Kung nagsasawa ka na sa ordinaryong piniritong manok, nababagay sa iyo ang video na ito. Excited na ba kayong matutunan ng ating bagong menu? Tara, let's simulan na natin ang pagluluto! Ang mga kailangan natin na ingredients ay chicken wings, salt, ground black pepper, oil, garlic, lemon juice, thyme, oregano, parsley, and Tabasco sauce. Ang una muna natin gagawin ay i-marinate natin ang ating chicken wings with salt and pepper. You know mga ka-technique, as simple as fried chicken, I usually prepare to marinate it overnight for much tastier result. You can try it too. Maglagay ng oil sa mainit na kawali. Pag mainit na ang oil, ilagay na natin ang ating chicken wings. In this menu, you can use any part of the chicken wings you like. Lutuin ang chicken wings till golden brown in a medium fire. While we are waiting for our chicken wings to cook, let's make the sauce. Prepare another frying pan, put 3 tablespoons of oil, then the chopped garlic. Halu-haluin lang, then put 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can simply use calamansi. Halu-haluin lang until mag-caramelize ng ating garlic. Pag-caramelize ng ating garlic, ilagay na natin ang ating nalutong chicken wings. Haluin lang para mag-coat ang ating chicken wings ang lasa ng garlic and lemon. Then, lagyan natin ng thyme and oregano. This is not optional in this menu. You can choose to put it or not. Maarte lang ako. I just prepare mine to have a taste of thyme and oregano. Charot lang. Next is ilagay natin ang black pepper and parsley. And lastly, the Tabasco sauce. You can put any hot sauce you have, follow according to your preferred taste. Halu-haluin lang natin until our chicken wings is coated with lemon and hotness. Can you already taste it? I can't wait. Huwag na natin patagalin. Ayan na siya mga ka-technique! OMG! Amoy pa lang, magugutom ka na! Ay, this is the best example of perfecto e delicioso! Ayan na, napa-Italia na tuloy ako. Ganun siya kasarap at hindi mahirap lutuin. At higit sa lahat, kayang-kaya sa bulsa mga ka-technique. So what are you waiting for? Try nyo na and tell me how it goes for you. Comment below, share your story. Until next time, don't forget to like, share our videos, mag-subscribe at i-on ang notification bell para kayo ay ma-update sa ating next menu. Bye for now! See you soon!